Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this question from Laplace transform. So we have given a waveform. It is a periodic waveform. It means it will be continue after this point with this same pattern. So it is asking to find the waveform of entire waveform. First, you have to write the equation of this waveform. Okay, then we will find Laplace transform. One more thing here, there is a shortcut also for this kind of question. I will explain it at the end of the video. First we will see the long solution of this problem. So first write the ft in terms of step function. It start from 0 and cover one step up. Okay, it we will write 1. It is the one step. Then u of t minus where it start 0 and it remains continue. Then at x then t equals to 2, it comes again one step down. One step down, it means negative 1. When it is got negative down, then it is negative. If it goes up, it is positive. Here we have plus one step. Here we have negative one step. 1 of u of t minus, where is this t minus? Same thing again you will write here. It is start one step up, then at 7 it is one step down. Again same pattern, one step up and one step down. So this process will be continued. Okay, now I can write it in the simple way. Then we will find the Laplace transform. So it can be written as ut minus 2, ut minus 5, ut minus 7 plus ut minus 10, ut minus 12. Now you can find the Laplace transform on both sides. Laplace transform of ft will be f of s. Laplace transform, I would like to tell you one thing here. Laplace transform of ut is 1 over s. And Laplace transform of n is shifted. Suppose it is shifted, right shifted by a, then Laplace transform become e raised to the power negative a s over s. Okay, use this property to find the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of ut is 1 over s. Laplace transform of ut minus 2. It means a is negative, a is 2. So it becomes 2s over s. u2 minus 5, negative 5s over s. T minus 7, it means a is 7. Plus 10 s over s and negative 12. Okay, you can see s is coming in all the terms. So I can separate it. I can write like this. Take the factor 1 over s from all the terms. 1 minus e raised to the power negative 2s plus e raised to the power negative 5s e raised to the power negative 7s plus e raised to the power negative 10s minus e raised to the power 12s and so on. Okay, I will shift it above. Now focus here. One thing you can focus here is, if you see, it is not the GP series, geometric progression series, because here you see e raised to the power negative 2s by 1. Common ratio is e raised to the power negative 2s. Here common ratio will be e raised to the power negative 5s divided by negative e raised to the power negative 2s. So you will get e raised to the power negative 3s. Common ratio are not same. If they are not same, it means it is not the perfect GP series. So we have to do something extra. So I will do one thing here. I will keep the positive term in one bracket and negative term in another bracket. Okay. So, basically I am separating them. So one, this one, then positive. Only positive first I am taking. This one, e raised to power negative 5s. Another positive, this one, e raised to power negative 10s. And this series will be continued. Then I am taking negative one. This one, see, it has negative sign. It has also negative sign. This one also had negative sign. If they have the negative sign in all of them, so I can pull out negative sign outside. Okay, it becomes e raised to power negative 2s plus e raised to power, because I have taken negative sign out, so all the terms in the bracket will be positive. E raised to power negative 12s. Now, you can check whether they are GP series or no. Here, common ratio is e raised to power negative 5s. Here, common ratio is e raised to power negative 10s divided by e raised to power minus 5s. So, power will be subtracted, negative 10s minus 5s. It means they will be added, negative 10s plus 5s. You will get negative 5s. It is perfect a GP series with common ratio e raised to power minus 5s. Here you can also check e raised to power negative 7s divided by e raised to power minus 5s. Same thing you will get. You will also get the same thing. Okay, common ratio is same in both of the series. And they are infinity GP series. And we know that if GP series is infinity, then their sum is calculated by the formula. I think you remember it from the school time. It is the where should I write? Suppose then formula is a over 1 minus r. Okay, and r must be less than 1. Here r we have already calculated. We will use this formula. A is the first term of the series. First I will write r. R for this series is e raised to power negative 5s, and R for this series is negative 5s. So f of s become 1 over s. For the first series, a is 1. Okay, this is 1 minus r. R is safe. minus next one. A is e raised to power negative 2s, 1 minus r, and r is e raised to power negative 5s. Okay, if you see LCM is same, e raised to 1 minus e raised to power negative 5s. So I can rewrite this one like this, 1 over s, 1 minus e raised to power negative 2s minus LCM is same, 1 minus e raised to power negative 5s. That's the answer. Okay, that's the final answer. This is how you can find the Laplace transform of a periodic function. Okay, this was the long explanation, but if you need the shortcut method, then we can also find the shortcut method. I will you can do it directly by the formula. Okay, for this I need to drag this picture again. Okay, I will write here. Okay, shortcut, let me check. Yes, okay, I will shift it. Okay, now the shortcut for the periodic function. Shortcut to find Laplace transform of a periodic function. It is given by the formula f of 1 of s over 1 minus e raised to power negative ts. T is the period, f1s is the Laplace transform of one period. Okay, I am writing here so that you can remember it. f1s Laplace transform of one period. And t is the period. Okay, so we will write f1t. It means this period. First find the period of this waveform. So if this is 1 and we need the same thing should be repeated after some time, it is repeated here. See, it is going up, then we need also one thing which is going up. It is going here. Okay, same thing, exactly same thing. So period will becomes the difference of these two. So period is 5 minus 0 is 1. You can also find here also. It is going down, it is going down. So if you subtract 12 minus 7, you will get 5. Okay, same thing. Now we need f1t. So write the waveform for the first period, f1t. Okay, you can write it. This is first period, ut, 1 ut and ut minus 2. Okay, we have already seen this. Okay, and this is the first one. Now you can find the Laplace transform of f1s. It is f1s, it becomes 1 over s minus e raised to power negative 2s over s. Okay, now put these value into formula. 1 over s minus e raised to the power negative 2s over s divide by 1 minus e raised to the power period is 5, so it becomes 5s. Okay, you can simplify it. It becomes 1 minus e raised to the power negative 2s over s divided by 1 minus e raised to the power 5s. S can be multiplied by denominator, so we can write it like this. That's the answer. It is the same thing we got above. Okay, it is very simple. You have to remember only the formula here and just put the value into the formula. I hope you enjoy this. If you like our work, you can subscribe our channel and follow our page. If you have any more doubt regarding this video or any other topic, you can comment, and you can also can message to me on Facebook and Instagram. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.